COSRX is a product that deserves the hypes and applause people give to it. I don't just talk about the product because people are applauding the product. I talk about a product because it is doing exactly what I say it is doing. If the product is bad, I will tell you guys it is bad. If the product is good, I will tell you guys the product is good. So one of the best face repair products I've seen, face repair regimen I've seen is COSRX. COSRX MUCIN face serum and the face cream. There's this client of mine. She's aged and somebody who is very, very highly interested in investing in her skin. So she's one of those people I respect when it comes to skincare and body care. So she ordered for products from me. She ordered for product today. Let's say she ordered for product today. The next day, she went for facials. Remember, I've told you guys that facials is not for everybody, but lots of people will not agree. Now she went for facials. She went for her facials, and on the fourth day, she called me that her face is reacting. That her products that she ordered, she just started them a day after I sent the products. So definitely, she has not used the product to any extent to have the kind of reactions she had. Now, these were the reactions she had. She had these tiny spider veins all over her face. There were spider veins all over her face, like there was no smooth spots. She on this part alone, she had like 60 spider veins, red blood veins all over this part. On the other side, all over the face. I've not seen such a reaction before in my life, and hers happened to be the first. And I quickly detected what the problem was because I knew from the start that she had a thin skin. So definitely, people with thin skin technically can't undergo rigorous or traumatic massage in the name of facials. So the best thing you can do to those faces is tapping. Whatever product you are doing, using for them, you tap the face, you beat the product into the face, then thereby stimulating the blood vessels, to carry on the activities. So in this her case, when she sent me the picture, I was afraid. I was shocked. I was like, what is this? It was almost as if somebody tore her face with blade and she bled, and after the bleeding there were clots all over her face. Every places had their own clots like that. That was how her face was. So I told her, I said, ma, you have this problem because of the facials you went for. I'm sure you went for facials. She said, yes, she went for facials. I said, so that was what happened to you. She said, in fact, she did general body massage. I said, well, it's good to do general body massage, but if you know your skin is thin, you should tell them you have a thin skin so they can be mild with you or calm with you or gentle with your skin. So now to cut the long story short, I recommended COSRX to her. So she bought the COSRX without complaint. She bought it. She bought the face cream, she bought the serum, and she started using it. And lo and behold, within a week, all those spider veins went away from her face. As we speak now, those things have left her face. They are no longer there. But of course, somebody that was toning her skin and started on a moisturizing product, her face became a little darker and she had to start up on her whitening products again. So what I'm trying to tell you is COSRX is a very, very effective product that I can recommend to people with facial blemishes, especially if you have a sensitive skin. So it is a number one sensitive skin product you can use to correct blemishes on your face, to put your face back to an even tone. So you can opt for COSRX. COSRX is very safe. It's not harsh on the skin, though expensive, but you will get results for your money. Guys, we have more videos on this channel that you can watch. Bye for now.